Imagine a solar panel that not only captures sunlight from the front, but also harnesses energy from the back, maximizing efficiency like never before. It is not just a theory anymore. What if I told you there's a newly manufactured solar module out there that's designed to perform even in low light, they can handle extreme weather, and is backed by 65 years of experience in solar technology? Welcome to the world of cutting-edge solar power, where Sharp Energy Solutions Europe has just launched a revolutionary product, which is the NBJA610 solar module with a record efficiency rate. In today's video, we'll uncover how this next-gen solar panel can transform large-scale rooftop and open space installations, delivering maximum energy yields and long-term benefits you won't believe. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know why this new solar module could be the game changer the world needs. So please like this video, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join as we explore the exciting new Sharp solar panel. Let's dive into the heart of the NBJA610. This solar module packs a punch with an impressive 610 watts of power, making it one of the most powerful panels on the market today. But here's where things get interesting. This isn't just any solar module. It uses advanced bifacial technology, which means it captures sunlight from both sides. Yes, you heard that right. It's designed to extract energy not only from the sun directly hitting the panel, but also from light reflected off surfaces like rooftops or the ground. This double-sided approach makes it a powerhouse for energy production, boosting its efficiency in ways that other panels simply can't. Now, let's talk about the secret sauce behind this module's incredible performance: its rectangular technology. This design isn't just for show, it gives the module a major edge in maximizing energy output, even in low light conditions. Imagine your solar panel still cranking out energy on cloudy days or in the early morning when the sun isn't blazing. The NBJA610's bifacial factor of 90% is what makes this possible, optimizing energy yields in various conditions and locations. Whether it's a rooftop in an industrial zone or a vast open space installation, this module is built to shine, literally. But what's power without durability? Sharp has thought of that too. This solar panel comes with a 30-year linear performance guarantee. Yes, 30 years. And depending on where you're installing it, the product guarantee ranges from 15 to 25 years. That's decades of peace of mind, knowing your energy system is built to last. And it's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. This module has passed some of the toughest tests out there, proving its resilience against harsh conditions like ammonia, salt mist, sand, and potential induced degradation. So whether you're facing extreme heat, cold, or coastal conditions, this panel can take it all. When it comes to construction, Sharp spared no detail. The NBJA610 uses G12 rectangular N-type half cells arranged in an 132-cell configuration. What does that mean? Well, it means more surface area for light capture, paired with 16 bus bars and a reflective white coating between the cells, ramping up its effectiveness to a jaw-dropping 22.58%. And get this, the temperature coefficient is amazing, which means even in scorching heat or freezing cold, the module keeps delivering stable energy output. Plus, it's lid-free, meaning it reduces the risk of energy loss over time. If that's not engineering excellence, I don't know what is. Now let's talk about installation. This solar panel is designed with flexibility in mind. It measures 2,382 millimeters in length and 1,134 millimeters in width, with a sleek 30 millimeters depth. It's solid but manageable, weighing in at 34 kilograms. And the installation process? It's a breeze. It even comes with a 1600 mm cable for easy setup. Whether you're working on a large industrial rooftop or setting up in an open space, this panel integrates seamlessly into almost any system. And here's the cherry on top. Sharp's NBJ610 is environmentally friendly. These panels are made using glass on both sides, which can be melted down and recycled without restrictions. Imagine a future where solar panels aren't just reducing carbon footprints during their use, but can be fully recycled at the end of their lifespan, minimizing environmental impact even further. It's solar energy made sustainable from start to finish. So, what does all this mean for you? The new NBJ610 doesn't just generate more power, it creates opportunities. Opportunities for industries to lower their energy costs, for commercial spaces to reduce their carbon emissions, and for large-scale installations to achieve higher energy yields with fewer panels. And let's not forget, this is a Sharp product, a brand with over 6 decades of expertise in the solar market. You're not just buying a panel, you're investing in a legacy of innovation and reliability. We can realize now that this new solar panel isn't just about impressive numbers and technical specs, it's about making a real impact. As the world moves toward cleaner energy solutions, solar panels like these play a critical role in reducing greenhouse gases and reliance on fossil fuels. The increased efficiency, durability, and recyclability of Sharp's new panels mean less waste and more renewable energy for generations to come. Investing in solar technology like this is not just good for your wallet, it's a step toward a greener planet. Imagine the ripple effect if every large-scale installation switched to such efficient and sustainable technology. The future could look very different and much brighter. So, if you're ready to embrace the next frontier in solar power, the NBJ610 might just be the key to unlocking it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support really means the world to us. Until next time, stay positive and keep exploring. See you in our next video.